Welcome to 2025, a year where artificial intelligence has moved from science fiction to the beating heart of our everyday lives. From medicine to manufacturing, AI is transforming industries faster than ever before. In this video, we'll explore how AI is reshaping key industries, unlocking new possibilities, and creating a world we once only imagined. Section 1. Healthcare. Let's start with healthcare. In 2025, AI isn't just assisting doctors, it's diagnosing diseases faster and more accurately than ever. From early cancer detection using AI-driven imaging to personalized treatments powered by machine learning, AI is saving lives every day. Even in remote areas, AI-driven telemedicine is bridging gaps, bringing expert care to places where doctors are scarce. Section 2. Manufacturing and transforming. In manufacturing, AI is redefining efficiency. Smart factories now use predictive analytics to minimize downtime, robotic workers to streamline production, and AI-driven design tools to innovate faster than ever. AI isn't replacing humans, it's augmenting them, making workplaces safer and processes more efficient. Section 3. Transportation. The transportation industry is cruising into the future with AI. Autonomous vehicles are reducing accidents, optimizing fuel use, and cutting delivery times. AI-powered traffic management systems are making urban mobility smoother and greener. Section 4. Retail and e-commerce. In retail, AI knows what you want before you do. From personalized shopping experiences to inventory optimization and even cashier-less stores, AI is creating seamless, customized journeys for consumers. Behind the scenes, AI is making supply chains smarter, faster, and more reliable. Section 5. Entertainment and creativity. Even creativity isn't untouched. AI is company writing scripts, generating music, and even producing art. In 2025, human and AI collaboration is leading to groundbreaking works of entertainment and culture. From saving lives to shaping culture, AI's transformative power is undeniable. But with great power comes great responsibility. Closing message. As we move forward, ethical AI development and responsible usage are key. The future is here, and AI is leading the way. How will you harness its potential?